Hey chocolate lovers! I have been dreaming of this double chocolate chunk ice cream since I made it last time, and today I'm not only making another batch for us, but I'm going to show you how we make it too. This is an egg-free recipe, which means there's no need to cook it, which makes it super duper easy. We're doubling down on the chocolatey flavor with not only a super rich and creamy chocolatey ice cream, but we'll also be mixing in some chunks of chocolate for amazing flavor and texture in every bite. And I'll be showing you the secret ingredient that I like to use in my chocolate ice cream to give it an amazingly deep, rich flavor. So first things first, please subscribe to our channel and then stick around and I'll show you step by step how we make our double chocolate chunk ice cream. So for our ultimate chocolate ice cream recipe, we're going to start first with 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Next up, we'll be using 1/2 cup of sifted cocoa powder. I'm using Ghirardelli cocoa powder today, but really anything you have will do. And now comes our secret ingredient to give our chocolate ice cream great depth of flavor. We're using 1/2 cup of chilled coffee. And along with our coffee, some evaporated milk. We'll be using 1/2 cup of the evaporated milk as well. A couple dashes of sea salt. And then we'll whisk it all up to dissolve our sugars and cocoa powder. Now we'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 cups of heavy cream. And 1 more gentle mix to blend them all together. And then we'll cover it with some plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge to chill for a couple hours. And while our ice cream base is chilling, we'll get our chocolate chunks ready. Today I'm using Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips, but again, any kind of chocolate chips that you like or have will do. I like to chop my chocolate finely so that there's lots of little bites scattered throughout the ice cream. Once your ice cream base has chilled for a couple hours, get out your ice cream maker and let it churn away until it's nice and thick and creamy. For me, it takes about 20 minutes or so. I like to let my ice cream churn until it's not only frozen and looks like ice cream, but it's also really grown in volume. You can see how it actually fills up my entire ice cream maker by the end here. And then just before we turn off the ice cream maker, I will slowly add in all of our little chocolate chunks and let them mix completely through our rich, creamy chocolate ice cream. This is also a great time to experiment with other additions. We've added chunks of almond butter or bits of hot fudge in there. All really delicious. So play with it. See what you got in your cabinet and see what you want to add to your chocolate ice cream. Although this really is amazing just as it is. Then it's time to transfer our fresh chocolate ice cream to a freezer-safe container and we'll pop it in the freezer to firm up for a couple hours until the mood strikes us to dig in. This is the best chocolate ice cream. It's rich and creamy. We get the 2 kinds of Ghirardelli chocolate, and of course that coffee we added gives it such a great depth of flavor that really balances out the sweet richness. Somebody grab me a spoon, I'm going in. And it's easy as that. I hope you enjoyed watching our double chocolate chunk ice cream recipe. Whether you're a chocolate lover or just an ice cream lover in general, this ice cream is going to hit the spot. It's easy, it's creamy, and that double chocolatey flavor is out of this world. I thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and follow us on all of our future videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this recipe, and I hope to see you next time. Happy home cooking!